What's up guys, welcome back to the channel. Today we have the 2023 Dodge Charger RT Hemi. But before we continue with the video, make sure you guys hit the like button, comment, share, and most importantly, subscribe for more car content. This is a powerhouse of a sedan. I mean, look at that front fascia, very modern and aggressive. You have no fog lights, but you have LED headlights. You have your Dodge emblem right there. You have no turn signal indicators. You have keyless entry. You have these very nice 20-inch alloy wheels with Goodyear tires. 345 badge. Very nice side profile. Your gas tank is on the driver's side. You have your shark fin antenna right over here. Coming on to the back, you have a very nice sporty spoiler. It says Dodge right over here, Charger, and the model the RT. Down here you have dual exhaust, as you can see. As a matter of fact, let's get the key. And this is your Dodge key. And let's start her up. Oh yeah, that sounds fantastic. It is a beautiful car, especially in white. Let's take a look under the hood, shall we? You have a latch right over here. And under the hood, you have a 5.7 liter V8 engine, making 370 horsepower, made it to an 8-speed automatic transmission. If you're worried about fuel economy, which you shouldn't when you have a V8 muscle car, well, this one do 60 miles per gallon city and 25 miles per gallon on the highway. But as you can see, pretty new engine. You also have this badge over here that says the Charger last call, being the last year of the Charger. And it tells you right here that it was designed in Auburn Hills, Michigan, and assembled in Brampton, Ontario. Let's take a look at the trunk. I'm gonna hit the key 2 times. You have a very nice spacious trunk. And right under here you have no spare tire, but you have your battery right there. You have a tire mobility kit. You have a handle right there and a light. And that's pretty much it. You have your trunk release and a handle to help you pull the trunk down. Now that I show you guys the exterior, let's take a look at the interior. Going into the interior, you have a very nice door panel. This one being a combination of rubber and cloth. You have your window switches right over here, the door handle, a storage compartment, and a cup holder. This specific model comes with cloth seats. You can also get it in leather and a combination of leather and Alcantara. You have your seat adjusters right over here, light switches, a trunk release button, AC vents look like that. And if we go inside the car, let's go ahead and start her up. So foot on the brake, press the start button. You have a very nice sporty steering wheel with paddle shifters in the back. You also have this stock for the windshield wipers. Nice cluster with 2 analog gauges and an LCD screen in the center. Your media controls are right over here and your cruise control on the right. Right over here you have your Uconnect infotainment system made into 6 Alpine speakers that sound fantastic. You have 2 AC vents on the side, your engine start-stop button, and right below that you have some media controls. You have some manual media controls and your AC controls. You have a little bit of storage space right over here and a 12-volt outlet. You have your gear selector, some more storage space, and 2 cup holders. Coming further down, you have some more storage compartment with 2 USB and an auxiliary jack. You also have a coin holder and another 12-volt outlet right there. And right over here you have your glove compartment with plenty of space for your car manuals and your guns. You also have a charger badge right there. Coming on up, you have your sun visor with a light. You have a sunglass storage right over here. And you also have your reading lamps. That's pretty much the cabin of the Dodge Charger. Let's take a look at the back. If we go into the back, you have a little bit of storage right over here with a cup holder. Seating for 3 adults. You have a storage pocket behind the driver's seat and the passenger seat. You have 2 USB outlets, AC vents. You have an armrest with 2 cup holders. And if you want some more storage space in the trunk, you can pull this lever right here and you got some extra storage space right there. Beautiful car overall. All right guys, so I show you guys the exterior and interior of the Dodge Charger. How about we hear that V8 rumble? Because it sounds amazing. So right now we're gonna take the Dodge Charger for a test drive. The car's already running. Got my seatbelt on. We're gonna put her in sport. Also, we're gonna disable the traction control. Press and hold the traction control button. There you go. And let's go. Oh yeah, 370 horsepower. It's not a lot, but it's still a lot of power. Make sure there's no vehicles in front of me. Let's go. Whoa. V8 sounds fantastic. I love the sound of it. Yeah, it sounds great. I love it. All right, so let's do a quick launch from 0. So foot on the brake. Oh yeah. can't go wrong with a muscle car. You just can't. You just can't go wrong with a muscle car, man. I love the sound. I love the power. Woo! Huge cloud of smoke. Just so you guys can see how quick she picks up, we're gonna do a quick run from 0 and this is definitely a very fun car to drive, guys. Very fun car to drive. I highly recommend it. This is why these cars are very desirable. This is the last call. After 2024, the Dodge Charger is going fully electric. These cars are going to get more desirable. A lot more people are going to want them. They're going to want to store them away. I mean, now is the time to get yourself a Dodge Charger or a Challenger. Driving around town, I mean, you know, you're just driving slowly, doing the speed limit, but you still hear that V8 rumble. And you just know that under the hood, you have that V8 that every time you drive, it just gives you a great experience. And whenever you want to put your foot down, you can. You have these amazing bucket seats, sporty bucket seats. I wish they were leather or Alcantara. Unfortunately, we got the cloth seats. But driving around town, I can't say it's a quiet ride because it's not, but you know, it feels very comfortable. Very nice drive. No complaints there. And yeah, it's a muscle car. That's what it's supposed to do. Make noises. Let's make a U-turn here. If you're not careful driving this car, she will slide. If you're not careful, she will slide. So you gotta be careful, especially around turns, and especially when you have the traction control off. Oh man, but what a fun car to drive. Another thing to mention is that your infotainment system is actually a touchscreen. And you have all these apps to play with. You have the performance pages, that is my favorite. And it gives you all types of information about the car, the engine. Right here, it tells you exactly how much horsepower you're using, your G-force meter, your current gear. That's your G-force meter, your engine parameters, and your dyno. You have an onboard dyno on this car. That's amazing. Media controls. But yeah, very nice infotainment system that you get with Uconnect. You also get dual climate controls for the driver and the passenger. That's pretty cool as well. All right, guys, so that is it on the 2023 Dodge Charger RT HEMI Last Call Edition. If you guys enjoyed the video, make sure you guys hit the like button, comment, share, and most importantly, subscribe for more car content. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you guys on the next one. Peace out.